Welcome to Easy Wallet, the digital wallet for global people. As the future gets more digital and purchasing becomes more borderless, you're going to need a way to spend money online safely without the hassle or hidden fees. That's why we've worked hard to make Easy Wallet feel just like a real-life wallet, but easier. On any device, you can make instant payments to anyone, anywhere. Transfer and receive funds within Easy Wallet free of charge. Upload funds through your favorite local payment method so you can spend and save your way. Now sit back and relax, knowing that your digital wallet is doing all the hard work for you. Do you feel it? That's the magic of Easy Wallet. To get started, simply download the app on your smartphone or head over to our website. Create an account, faster than you can say digital wallet. It's as easy as entering your name and email address and creating a password. Now you're ready to start spending and transferring funds straight away. Rest easy with Easy Wallet, the digital wallet for global people.